Okay, a little video to see. There might be like a part of the first beginning of the video, or just a little short video. But I'm just kind of showing you. I'm gonna got some anodized. So this is kind of what I use for my what's called transmission mount thingy. It's anodized blue. So I'm gonna do this. Just do a little bit of coating. So I'm kind of masking stuff off. But I was kind of gonna show you. I'm pretty sure some people even know this already. But just kind of painting stuff to get it a little. If you hit it on the corners like this you're supposed to do it like a little mallet or a hammer, but I was just kind of doing this because I'm gonna cut it off. But if you hit it on the edges, sorry, this will make it like a perfect little circle. So to kind of do that around this stuff, and then it'll come off like pretty easy. See? Okay, so I did that, and I did a couple of coats. It's probably like 4, maybe 3 or 4. So I can go a little wider. The anodized, if you don't coat it or paint it silver or some sort of silverish bright color, it's supposed to do like chrome, and it's really pops. But this is already kind of like a just metal color, silver, so it looks pretty awesome. But gotta cut that a little bit, but came out looking good. So here's the top too. It's pretty clean lines. But if you really want to do it too, and I don't know how it's gonna do with heat, it was just kind of cool. I just kind of got bored, so we'll see how that turns out. I don't know if it's gonna turn like a different color once it gets hot. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. So what's up, guys? I'm just doing a little video. I didn't install it, which I know, whatever, because I do my water pump, as you can tell in the first part of the video. So I installed the PPE coolant hoses, and it's pretty cool. It just kind of add a little bit of blue, but you know, while I was doing the water pump, which is right somewhere in there, let's see if I can get a better picture. Right there, I was like, oh, you might as well just change the hoses out too real quick. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, I had no problems. That Merchant Automotive one went pretty good. Didn't have any issues with it. But here's from the bottom part, if I can get there. So it started leaking too right there. Not from there, but from the oh crap. So I got the PPE what's called drain connector thing or whatever. So it's now on these. Now I can just drain if I need to out of a little hole. So I don't know if I can. I don't think I can see it from here. But anyways, oh yeah, there it is right there. So they cut the hose, and then they just put that little thing in their sleeve, and there's a little thing you can unscrew, and it'll drain out right there. So it should be super nice if I have to, but I had to put on an extra hose clamp because it started leaking right there, and I haven't had an issue since I put that on there. So it's kind of nice, but I've heard people having that same issue, but not. Other than that, I have not had any issues, and this Merchant water pump's been good, knock on wood. But kind of also matches with the coolant. So I got a new hose too, a little blue one to match. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty nice, but I didn't do the install, so whatever.